morning! It's Tuesday and it's all rainy, so I'm in my rainy day uniform. Yeah, pretty much every time it's all gloomy and rainy, I just want to cuddle up in a sweatshirt, so I just wear my comfiest sweatshirt that I have. And yeah, so that's why I wear this all the time. Anyway, it's time for me to get some breakfast and my second cup of coffee, like we normally start off the vlog. And then I need to create some graphics, because that's what I'm paid to do. Yeah. I'm gonna need to get more oatmeal soon. I go through about one of these tubs a month, which makes sense because they're saying serving size is half a cup and about 30 servings per container, and I eat it every day, half a cup, so yes. The exciting logistics of oatmeal. I'm boring, aren't I? I've been eating while I'm working and I waited too long to eat, and now my oatmeal is cold and it's gross. Hashtag first world problems. On rainy days like this, I like to put up the twinkle lights, or turn on the twinkle lights. Yeah. Or on sunny days, or any day really. I pretty much turn those lights on every single day. I like them, they're pretty. Gonna have some tea, cause I need more water in my life. And it's too cold to drink actual water, so warm beverage. Tea. Okay, I'm officially really bad at vlogging. I forgot to explain what I'm doing. I wanted to make popcorn and we don't have any microwavable bags of popcorn, but I remembered we do have a microwave air popper that we got for our wedding shower like nearly 2 years ago, and I always forget that we have it. So I'm using it. And it's popping the popcorn. Ooh. Oh my god, look at that, that's so cool. They're all bouncing around in there. My goodness. I mean, I'm sure it's gonna be fine. Popcorn is out. Mm-hmm. We're about to put in the flavoring. Mm-hmm. Are we ready? Yes. Ah! Now we shake. Mm-hmm. That doesn't shake. No. No.
Are we having some technical difficulties?
No. Just nope. Nope. I'm sure it's gonna be fine.
Yeah. How is it? Hey guys, guess what time it is? That's right, it's dishwashing time! And that's how you do the dishes. Popcorn.
Hi.
Popcorn. Popcorn.
Belinda is wonderful and fantastic and wonderful, and she's going to the store to get me some snacks. Or rather, to give me some sweet things and also blueberries for my oatmeal tomorrow because I finished up the last of my dried blueberries today. Meanwhile, I'm drawing a man in an impossible position. He's naked. Because I'm a good wife, I came up here so I could bring this plate down for Belinda.
You really feel the need to vlog that?
Yes, yes I did. It says not to microwave. So I'm boiling the water in the kettle. Almost there. Almost there. There we go. Reminds me of middle school. Except in middle school I wouldn't put spinach in. And it's pastry week. I'm dancing. I'm tree pollen and I'm dancing. And I can make a new tree pollen. Do 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 do. Oh my gosh. Do 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 do. Da la la.
I don't know how well you can see this, but it sure is raining outside.
Oh my goodness.
Oh wow.
Ooh, I like the effect that that's having on the camera.
Yeah, look at the way the light's refracting.
The lighting blooms.
Yeah. But it is definitely raining.
Yep. And with that, I think I better end the vlog. So thank you so much for watching. Have a good night, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye. It's raining. And now I'm Buttercup Pollen.
The bear.